In this video, we will be going over how to install and configure the Datadog plugin on the VNS3 plugin system. Datadog can be used to view connection statuses, network traffic, system usage, SNMP metrics, process logs, and more. Let's begin. First, log into your VNS3 controller and navigate to the Plugin Catalog tab. Find the Datadog plugin image and install it. Go back to the plugin's dashboard. Now that the plugin image is in a ready state, select Start Instances from the Actions drop-down menu. Name the plugin, then select Start. Before you configure the plugin, you will need to add the necessary firewall rules. These can be found on the documentation page. Please see the link in the description. Copy and paste the firewall rules from the docs page into the white box input. Tag it with a group name. Once the firewall rules are added, navigate back to the plugin dashboard. On the plugin instances tab, click the plugin name, or select Manage from the Actions drop-down menu to access the plugin manager page. The default values in the main config will suffice for nearly all use cases. You must provide a refreshing API token from your controller. The minimum configuration required for the Datadog agent is an API key and site name. You can also specify how you want this agent to appear in your Datadog dashboard using the hostname field. To create a Datadog API key, go to the API keys page under Organization Settings in the Datadog console. Create a new API key and paste it into your DD agent config. You can find your Datadog site by correlating your Datadog console URL with the table on this page. There is also a link in the description. Optionally, enable SNMP polling, log reporting, and NetFlow collection in this file. SNMP polling and log reporting also have their own configuration files which provide granular control. Once you have saved your configurations, run the initialize executable from the drop-down menu on the left side of the page. Wait a few minutes for the new agent to appear in your Datadog dashboard. Your Datadog agent is now configured. You can begin creating visualizations and alerts based on the metrics reported. The exported XML for this example dashboard is available on our documentation page. Please review the additional information and documentation found in the description of this video. If you have any questions, please contact Cohesive Support via email at support@cohesive.net.